Welcome to Sam Podcast.
Enjoy listening to English every day.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Season 3 of the Sam Podcast. We'll be talking about business plans this season with me, Mr. Sam. Today's episode is all about how to write a business plan for a flower shop. And I promise you, this topic is more complex than it sounds. Joining me today is a very special guest, a floral business consultant and event planner, Miss Isabella Green. Welcome to the show, Isabella.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. I'm so excited to be here. And hello, everyone. I hope you're ready for some serious debate today.
Oh, I'm sure we'll disagree on a few things.
More than a few.
All right, let's begin. Many people think opening a flower shop is simple. You rent a small space, buy flowers, arrange them nicely, and sell them. Done.
If only it were that easy.
Exactly. A flower shop is actually very risky. Flowers are perishable. They don't last long.
That's right. If you don't sell them quickly, they become waste, and waste means lost money.
So step 1 of writing a business plan for a flower shop is understanding the risks.
Yes, and being honest about them. Don't pretend everything will be perfect.
Short pause. Let's start with the executive summary. I always say this. This is the heart of your business plan.
I agree, but only if it's clear and not too romantic.
Romantic?
Yes, many flower shop owners write emotional stories like, I loved flowers since I was a child.
That's true.
It's okay to mention passion, but investors want structure, so include business name, location, target market, unique selling point, financial overview.
For example, our flower shop, Blooming Dreams, will focus on affordable daily bouquets and premium wedding arrangements in the city center.
Perfect. Short, clear, professional.
Now let's talk about market research. I think many flower shop owners skip this step.
Yes, and that's a mistake.
But here's my opinion. Flowers are always needed for birthdays, weddings, funerals, anniversaries. So demand is stable.
I disagree.
Oh, why?
Demand exists, yes, but competition also exists. Supermarkets sell flowers, online delivery services sell flowers, street vendors sell flowers.
Good point.
So your business plan must answer, who are your competitors? What are their prices? What makes you different?
So simple observation isn't enough?
Observation is a start, but you need real analysis.
All right, I admit, you're right on this one. Let's say someone wants to open a flower shop near a university. Who is their target market?
Students, obviously. But what kind of flowers do students buy?
Small, affordable bouquets.
Exactly. Not expensive wedding decorations.
So in the business plan, clearly define the customer profile. Age, income level, buying habits.
Yes. For example, target customers are students aged 18 to 25 who buy flowers for birthdays and romantic occasions.
That shows focus.
This section is very important. A flower shop should not only sell bouquets.
What else should they include?
Services like wedding floral arrangements, event decoration, corporate flower subscriptions, same-day delivery.
Corporate subscriptions? Explain that.
Some offices want fresh flowers every week. That's stable income.
Ah, recurring revenue. I like that.
Exactly. A smart business plan includes multiple income streams.
Location is critical. Do you prefer high traffic areas?
Yes, but rent is expensive.
So what's better, expensive busy area or cheaper quiet area?
It depends on your strategy. If you focus on online delivery, you don't need the best location.
Interesting.
But if you depend on walk-in customers, visibility is everything.
So in the business plan, explain why you chose that location.
And include rent cost and foot traffic estimates.
Now let's talk about suppliers. This is very important for a flower shop.
Yes, if your supplier is unreliable, your business will suffer.
Flowers must be fresh.
Exactly. In your business plan, describe where you buy flowers, how often you restock, and storage methods.
Storage is crucial.
Yes, you may need refrigeration equipment. That's an expense many people forget.
So include equipment costs in the financial plan. Marketing for a flower shop should be creative.
Yes, flowers are visual. Use social media.
Instagram, TikTok, Facebook.
Post beautiful arrangements. Show behind-the-scenes videos.
But I think traditional marketing still works, like banners and flyers.
Maybe, but young customers respond more to digital marketing.
So balance both?
Yes, also offer grand opening discounts, loyalty programs, seasonal promotions like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day.
Those holidays are huge for flower shops.
Exactly. Your business plan must mention seasonal sales strategy.
All right, now we reach the serious part, money.
Yes, this is where dreams meet reality.
Startup costs may include rent deposit, renovation, initial inventory, refrigerator, furniture, staff salaries.
Don't forget marketing costs.
Right.
Then calculate monthly expenses: rent, electricity, salaries, flower restocking.
And then estimate monthly revenue.
Be realistic. Don't assume you'll sell out every day.
Yes, overestimating sales is dangerous. Explain break even for our audience.
Break even is when your total revenue equals total expenses. No profit, no loss.
For example, if your monthly costs are $2,500, you must sell at least $2,500 worth of flowers.
Exactly. And only after that you earn profit.
Let's list the main risks.
All right. Risks include unsold flowers, waste, strong competition, seasonal demand changes, and supplier price increases.
How can you reduce waste?
Order smaller quantities more frequently.
Smart.
And use leftover flowers for discounted last chance bouquets.
I like that strategy.
One more thing, future goals.
Yes, investors love vision.
Maybe after 2 years, launch an online store, offer nationwide delivery, create your own flower brand.
That shows growth potential. Okay, final debate. What's more important for a flower shop? Passion or planning?
Planning.
Really? Not passion?
Passion without planning leads to failure.
Strong statement.
You can love flowers, but if you don't manage costs, you'll close in 6 months.
That's harsh but true. What do you think? I think passion starts the business, but planning keeps it alive.
That's a good balance.
So, today we learned that writing a business plan for a flower shop includes executive summary, market research, target market, products and services, location strategy, operations, marketing, financial planning, risk analysis, and future goals.
And remember, clarity is more important than length. Be realistic, not overly optimistic.
Thank you so much, Isabella Green, for this lively discussion.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. I enjoyed our friendly arguments.
And thank you to our listeners. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next episode of Season 3 of the Sam Podcast.